Hello friends, welcome back, and in this video you will learn about location targeting in Google Ads. So basically location targeting is like you can run ads in particular area, particular city, or maybe multiple areas. So Google lets you choose the location where you can show your ads. So what you are going to learn in this video, so how you can add location in different ways. So I'll be showing some advanced option you can add location, and where you can see your location reporting, basically bunch of location in your Google Ads, and you want to show what kind of clicks or conversion you get from particular location, and how you can exclude a particular area or pin code when you are running ads. So I'll be showing that also, plus what is location bid adjustment. So I'll be showing all these four step by step. So friends, my name is Viren Negi, and if you're looking for any help or consultation, please do check out my website addonwebs.com. Plus you can also check out my services if you're looking for any help, maybe some other person in your friends looking for any help. You can always check out my website. Now friend, watch this video till the end, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you the common mistake which newbie and sometimes I see expert made when they choose their location targeting. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you will get notified. So without further delay, let's get started. By the way, in the previous video I talked about the networks in Google Ads and how you can view reporting for a search partner or basically display partner. So go check out that video, it will be very helpful for you. So let me come to the location targeting. So you can see there are a bunch of more setting here. So I'll be explaining this setting in upcoming video, so don't worry about that. So this is the location targeting. So when you create a new campaign, it will ask for you the location. So here is by default India, because right now I'm in India. So you can enter a location from here. First thing you can do is just, let's say I want to run ad. Target means include that location. Exclude means you don't want to show ad in particular location. And nearby means it will show some in area nearby this particular location. So let me select target. So reach means your ad can be shown to these numbers of people, basically not people, maybe it's a reach, basically these numbers. Now the reach means basically, I mean, how many people are there in the potential location you are targeting, basically. So you can target multiple locations. Let's say I want to show in Mumbai as well, so let me select Mumbai, or maybe I want to show in New York as well, so you can select New York. New York City and New York State, it is a different thing. Okay, so when you are running ads, so you need to be very clear in mind, because in many countries they have same name by state and they have same name by city. Let's say we have New Delhi here in New Delhi, here in Delhi, and we have Delhi. So these are about different thing. Okay, so let me show you in real scenario. If you select New Delhi, you can see the reach is different in New Delhi, and in Delhi it's a different. So you need to keep that in mind, okay, when you're running ads. These mistakes made by some newbies as well, so avoid that. So when you're done, save it. Now under the advanced search, click on that. Okay, so here you can select, let me select by adding bulk location. So you can add multiple pin codes here. Let's say 110058, 110059, 110001. So through this you can add a multiple location. Maybe you can add a particular name. Just say, let's say I type. So I mean, you can also put some city name, state name, area name, and then click on search. So what it does is it find all the location when it can find and give you the option here. So let's say I put a 4 location here, so it can find only 3 location. So it showed me. So you can target all, or maybe click on exclude all. So if you want to target particular pin code, just, I mean, if I want to target all these, just click on target all. So this is how you can add bunch of location by in a once. So if you have to add multiple location, let's say 15 to 20 location, this is how you can do it. And let me show you another option, it by radius. So let's say you are a local store, and let's say my store in this pin code. So this pin code has my store and I'm managing from here. So you can select a radius by kilometer and maybe miles as well. So let's say I want to add in 10 kilometer radius from particular this pin code. Okay, so maybe you can pick a coordinate here as well. I have not checked that, so I'm using that pin code. So when I save that, let me add that first. So what you need to do is just enter a pin code, select your radius and click on target. So now what it does is, let me show you in zoom out this. So this is select a particular radius. So let me remove by other location so that you can see clearly. Remove this. Here it is. Now you can see your ad will be shown to this 10-kilometer radius from this particular pin code. So you can do this as well. So once you're done, you can click on save. So this is how you can basically target things in your Google Ads. Now come to the another part. Here you can see a bunch of other options, so you can always click on location option. So first option in it means is people who are in my particular location, let's say 10-kilometer in radius, or who show interest in your target location. So what it means by who show interest in target location, let's say I put a keyword like website designing in Delhi. Okay, so someone is searching for website designing in Delhi and he might not be in this 10-kilometer radius, or he might be not in Mumbai basically. So my ad will be shown to that particular person who searching on, who show interest in my particular location. So if you select this, you can add show on both the option. Person sitting in your location might see your ads, or maybe a person sitting in your different location, maybe a different country, can see your ad as well if we show interest in your location. Maybe you put some keyword on that particular location, or maybe you're using geo targeting as well. Now under this you see our location options basically. So what are these? So if you select first option, people in, it means the people who are in my particular location. So let me remove this so you won't get confused. People in my 10-kilometer radius from this particular pin code going to see my ads. Okay, this is what I'm instructing to Google. And the second option, who show interest in your target location. So I'm targeting this location. So let's say someone is searches PPC expert in New Delhi. So he can see my ad, whether he is in my, or he or she in my location or not. So maybe someone is searching from New York, he might see my ad. Okay, this is what it meant. So this is what it means. Okay, so if he show interest in my location, he can see my ads. So it doesn't matter whether it's in particular location or not. So if you select this, it means it will show ad people who are in particular this 10-kilometer radius. And if you select this, it means it will show ad who show interest in your location. Now on the exclude part, you can exclude location. So let me show you a particular pin code. You can select a particular pin code. Let me show you pin code 11000. 6, I guess, and click on search. So in particular pin code, this whole radius I don't want to show ad, so let me exclude it. So it will show ad to all these location available in this circle, but not this area. So this is how you can exclude it. Now come to the second part, exclude. Let me show you with the example. So go to the advanced. So you can type and location. Let's say I want to don't show to. So you can add a pin code here. Let's say under this area, on this pin code, you don't want to see ads. Basically, you don't want to show ads. So click on search, and then from here you can click on exclude. So now what Google does is it will show ad all over the area, excluding this location. You can do that as well. And when you select this, it means people who show interest in your excluded location. It means someone is searching for particular that area in your location that you want, then he won't be able to see your ads. So friend, this is how you can target your location. So now you have clear idea how you want to target your location. Now come to the second topic, where you can see basically these reports. Let's say you run ads on multiple locations, and how you can see those reports. So let's go to the live campaign. So you can go to the particular campaign, or maybe on ad group. So now let me show you how you can view reporting basically. Now let me show you in a live campaign how you can view basically location reporting. Let me drag it here. So you can open any campaign, just click on that, and once you scroll a bit here, you see location. Okay, just expand it, then you can see target location. So here you can see basically where your ad has been displayed. So you can see a bunch of stats here. So now what you need to do, just go to the geographic report. So basically where actually your ads on, you can see from here. So these are the locations basically like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and different bunch of countries where my ad has been got impression. So in that particular location, let me click on this India. So now on India, I can see basically location report by particular segment. You can see by state, union territory, municipality, city, postal code, airport, city, region, and multiple ways. So let me select by state. So now in India, these are the state where my ad has been displayed, and I got an impression from these state. Further, you can click on these state as well. Let me click on Gujarat. Again on Gujarat, which city my ad has been shown. So I can let me open this a little bit. So in Gujarat, these are the cities where my ad has been displayed. Now let me go to the further down. Just click on that. So you can further see report pin code wise. I mean, this is how cool is, it's very very powerful. So you can see your ad report by pin code wise. So let's say let's say on this pin code, I'm not. So you can analyze your data pin code wise from where you are getting clicks, impression, or conversion. Same way you can do with user. Same way you can check with user location report. Now the difference with these two is the location you have targeted. So let me click on that. These are the location you have targeted. So that trigger your ad basically. So on this location, user location report, this is where your customer were. Basically, this is exactly from where your customer are searching. Okay. So these are the exact locations. Again, let me sort it by impression. So you can view these report again going by the same way. You can view by, let me show you by city wise directly. Again, let me open Hyderabad. On Hyderabad, I can see the pin codes where my ad are displayed. Now let's move to the third part. So how you can exclude particular area or pin code. I mean, it's very easy. So let's say I don't want to show this particular pin code. So let's say you don't want to show ad in this particular pin code. So what you can do is you can select just a bunch of them, or maybe you can select one. So it's up to you. Just click on exclude. Okay. So now I can click on exclude. So these are location excluded now. So why do you want to exclude particular location? So you check particular data here. Let me pull up some conversion tab. So let's say you are running ads, and you're getting clicks from particular location, but they are not converting. So now friends, why do you want to remove any location from your targeting location? So because what happens is in particular location you got clicks, you got impression, but you won't get any conversion. Okay, so this is why you want to exclude those locations. So let me show you that how you can check whether they are getting conversion or not. So here in conversion, you can see if these locations are getting conversion for me or not. So this is basically a video ad, so I might not see conversion here. So if you're again search campaign, maybe display campaign, then you might see some conversion here. Another way to find it, I mean, if you are running ads and you know which pin code your customer is coming from and from which pin code your customer are not coming from. So you can see report, let's say from this area I'm getting many clicks, not any conversion. So you can check by from here as well to checking the conversion tab. Plus you can see your real data. So when you talk to customer, from where he is coming, basically which location he is coming. So based on that, you can make a decision whether you want to exclude that particular location or not. And sometimes what happens is your computer are searching your ad again and again, and they click on your ad on daily basis. So you can exclude that particular pin code where your competitors are, so that you won't get any fake. And sometimes competitors do that. So maybe in upcoming videos, I'll be create one video where I'll be showing you how we can avoid that if some competitors click on your ads. And so I'll be guiding you on that part as well in upcoming videos. Now the fourth option is what is location bid adjustment. So let me again go back to my location filter. What we can do, let me go to the city wise. So I can go to the all countries. So let me click on India and select state wise. Now I pull up the data state wise. Let me show you clearly. So now I pull up the data state wise, and I can see that I am getting, let me show you one more thing. No, I can't see those actually. So let's say I'm getting conversion good from Gujarat or maybe Maharashtra. Okay, these are two locations which is converting for me, and I'm running ads in all over the India. Maybe you're running ad in particular city, so then you can sort it by pin code or area. So it's up to you how we want to further drop down to the basically narrow down to the location. So let's complete this. If you want to show, now these are the two locations I'm getting leads from, and they are converting very well. So what you can do is you can do some bid adjustment. Okay, so what is bid adjustment? So it basically means you are showing ads in particular location, but friend, what is bid adjustment? So it means when you run ads, you assign a bid for on keywords on your campaigns. So let's say you assign 10 rupees for all locations. So now what happens is let's say two of these location converting very well. So what you can do is you can click on this, adjust, increase the bid. So what it means, maybe you can do that decrease the bid as well. So let's say these are location are working well for me. So what I want to do is, let's do it 30% raise. What it means, if I'm having a bid of 10 rupees for all other location, so on these two particular location my bid will be a little bit high, like 13 rupees. So you can add this way. So if my bid is 10 rupees, then it will become 13 rupees for particular these two location. Now suppose you want to decrease bid, then you can do that. You just need to enter the percentage, and in these two location, so if my regular bid is 10 rupees, so it will become 7 rupees, and you need to just click on save. So here you can see the bid adjustment as well. So these are the four important things you can do in location targeting. So these are the four things you should know when you are creating ads. So I mean, you can target location in different ways, and how you can check location reporting, plus how you can exclude area or pin code from your campaign, and what is location bid adjustment. Now come to the important part. What are the common mistake you should avoid? I mean, these I have seen for multiple campaigns. This is what people make most of the mistakes. So let me go back to my location. So what people does is they leave it default as it is. This is recommended by Google, by the way. So what happens is when you select leave it default. So let me show you with a live demo. So let's say I'm sitting here and I search for, let's say, website design agency in New York. Now these are ad I'm seeing here. Let's say this is, and I get this one and this one also. So these are the ads basically from someone running ads for the New York, and I can see these ads here. So what happened is, so they might have this default setting enabled, and I can see their ads here sitting in Delhi. So anyone can see their ads sitting anywhere, maybe in the whole world. If someone type website designing agency in New York, they can see their ads. Now, as I promised in this video, I'll be showing one common mistake that most people make. So I'll be showing this with one example as well. So by default, this option is enabled and recommended by Google as well. So what I recommend you, don't do that. Just click on this option. Okay. So what it means. So let me show you that. If you just leave it as it is, and let's say I search a keyword website designing in New York. The result here, you can see these are agencies from New York basically, and I can see their ads here. So there are highly chances I am not going to take service from any guy sitting in New York, because it's very much costly for me. Okay. So they might be good for if they are running ad in USA or Canada, or maybe in UK or Australia. But the guy sitting in Asia or maybe some part of Africa, they can click their ads and they won't buy from it, because website designing in sitting in another country is very costly for them. For Asian, they design website, I mean, let's say 200 per month. I mean, they're charging 200 per month. I mean, it's too much here in India. Generally in $2,000, $200, you get a 5 to 10 pages website. Now let me search for a keyword website design agency in New York. So the ad I'm seeing here, basically these are the companies in USA, and the mistake they made is they have just select this default option here, so I can see their ads. And the problem here it is that I might click on these ads and won't buy from this. So when you are running campaign for particular location, so make sure you check this. Okay, so otherwise I can see your ad, and anyone in all over the world searching for this keyword, they can see their ads, or they might click on these ads and they won't buy from this. Because what happens is, this is how we are. So generally we take services from our local vendor who are nearby our cities, and we trust them. So highly chances we take services from nearby vendors. Okay, now maybe someone is just researching agencies in New York, and let's say you want to find out just the agencies in New York, and they can click on your ad. So maybe they build on some list, or maybe they are researching for SEO on another purpose. They can click on your ad, or might not buy or take a service from you. And the other problem with that is, let's say here I'm sitting in India, or maybe in any Asian countries. So website designing is very cheaper here in India compared to US. So again, they might want to take their services from here. So this is how basically you waste your money. Okay, so avoid this kind of mistake. And this is just one example I showed to you. I mean, this could be any keywords. Okay, this one is very helpful when you are searching for, let's say you are searching for hotels in New York, and this is very helpful because there are highly considered those who are searching for these keywords gonna buy from these ads. Most of them these keywords are searched by maybe a PPC expert or maybe a SEO guy who want to rank their website on particular location. So what they do is they just click on their ad without, I mean, thinking that they are losing money. So this is how that works. So if you are getting particular click from different from your target location, so always enable this. Check out your reporting basically here, from which location you are getting clicks, and if you have not target that location, then issue might be that you have selected this option, not this option here. So friend, this is it in this video. I hope you like the video and you learn about the location targeting. And if you're looking for any services, do check out my website. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.